Hello and welcome to the Master TradingView Pine Script Advanced Programming course. In this lesson, I'll introduce you to the content of this course and we will explain what you will learn in the following chapters and lessons of this course. The next chapter is TradingView Pine Script Essentials. That has 16 lessons where you will learn the foundation of Pine Script programming. The studying journey in this chapter will begin with an introduction to the Pine Script editor, familiarizing with its features. A practical approach was emphasized through a step-by-step guide on creating the first Pine Script, followed by a thorough understanding of indicators and strategies within the Pine Script framework. Then the course delves into the details of Pine Script execution, shedding light on the time series essentials that form the backbone of effective market analysis. Basic structures such as identifiers, operators, and variable declarations will be covered, providing a solid groundwork for subsequent lessons. More advanced topics, including conditional structures, loops, and the Pine Script type system, will be explored in details, enhancing your capabilities in script development. The chapter concludes with a comprehensive exploration of Pine Script types, qualifiers, and the nuanced significance of the NA value. Mastery of tuples and the creation of user-defined functions are crucial elements that will equip you with the tools needed for proficient Pine Script programming. Overall, TradingView Pine Script Essentials chapter will lay a robust foundation, ensuring that you acquire essential skills and knowledge to navigate the complexities of Pine Script and will set a stage for more advanced scripting concepts in the subsequent course chapters. The next chapter is creating advanced indicators in Pine Script, where you will learn how to develop advanced indicators in Pine Script. In this lesson of this chapter, you will study how to develop from scratch moving average ADX VMA indicator. The next chapter is creating, backtesting, forward testing, and optimizing trading strategy. In this chapter, you will be engaged in a comprehensive exploration of practical aspects related to the strategy development on TradingView Pine Script. The chapter starts with the creation of an open-close crossover moving average strategy, allowing you to apply theoretical knowledge to real-world scenarios using moving averages. A pivotal component of this chapter includes an overview of the Pine Script Strategy Tester tool, providing with insights into its functionality. Subsequent lessons of this chapter are focused on the critical processes of backtesting and forward testing trading strategies, offering a detailed guide on how to effectively assess strategy performance in historical and real-time market conditions. The chapter completes with a lesson on optimizing trading strategies, where you will gain valuable insights into refining and improving the efficiency of developed strategies. Techniques for enhancing strategy performance and fine-tuning parameters will be explored, empowering you to make data-driven decisions in optimizing trading approaches. The next chapter is creating advanced trading strategies in Pine Script. In this chapter, you will delve into the details and nuances of developing sophisticated trading strategies using TradingView Pine Script language. The chapter starts with a detailed walkthrough on creating an ADX VMA strategy, offering you practical application of advanced indicators in strategy development. Building on this foundation, the course will guide you through the creation of multiple moving average pyramid strategy, showcasing the integration of multiple moving averages to formulate a comprehensive trading approach. Following this, the chapter concludes with a lesson on crafting the MACD ultimate strategy, providing insights into the development of sophisticated strategy based on the MACD indicator. Throughout the chapter, you will gain hands-on experience in development of advanced trading strategies, leveraging the unique capabilities of Pine Script to implement complex indicators and signals. The course not only covered the technical aspects of strategy creation, but also emphasized the strategic thinking required to develop robust and effective trading approaches in dynamic market conditions. In summary, the Creating Advanced Trading Strategies in Pine Script chapter will equip you with the skills and knowledge needed to go beyond basic strategies, fostering ability to develop, implement, and optimize advanced trading strategies using the powerful features of Pine Script on TradingView platform. The next chapter is Alerts in TradingView Pine Script. In this chapter on Alerts in TradingView Pine Script, you will gain a comprehensive understanding of incorporating alert functionalities into the scripts, enhancing the ability to receive timely notifications and signals. The chapter starts with an overview of alerts in both indicators and strategies, explaining the role in effective market analysis. Then you will learn practical applications of setting up alerts using alert function, gaining insights into the process and customization options available. The course then further explores the utilization of the alert condition function, providing with a comprehensive guide on configuring and deploying alerts based on specific conditions. The chapter concludes with a lesson on setting up alerts in strategies on order fill events, demonstrating how alerts can be triggered by specific order execution events. Throughout the chapter, you will acquire practical skills in leveraging alerts to enhance trading strategies, enabling to stay informed and responsive to market conditions. In essence, the Alerts in TradingView Pine Script chapter will empower you to integrate alert functionalities seamlessly into the scripts, contributing to a more proactive and efficient trading approach on TradingView platform. The final chapter in this course is Conclusion. This chapter consists of 2 lessons. In the first lesson, I will summarize what you have learned in this course and will point out key takeaways of this course. And in the final lesson, I'll share some resources where you can further learn programming in Pine Script and also studying new indicators and trading strategies. We have overviewed all the course content now. This is the end of this lesson, and I'll see you in the next one. Happy learning!